Hello friends, I know that how eagerly you are waiting for the clarification on the date of prelims UPSC 2020 that was scheduled to be happened on 31st of May. I know that how difficult it is to study in these kind of unclear conditions. Although the official clarification will only come after 3rd of May, but recently there has been news that some of the highly placed officials have given the statement that the examination will definitely be postponed beyond 31st of May. So now you can take a sigh of relief. I'll just read the news from print.in. It says that there is no clarity as of now about the new date on which the exam would be held, but whenever the exam takes place, it is highly unlikely or next to impossible that it would be via online medium. So the second thing is that online examination is out of the picture right now. Further, they say that the commission and the government is keeping in mind the best interest of the candidates. And right now, there is no clarity on the nature of lifting of the lockdown or how the interstate travel will take place. Keeping all this in mind, deferring the exam or postponing the exam is the only option in front of them. It was not said officially by UPSC, but it was said by the Union Minister Jitendra Singh in his interview to a Jammu-based channel, Jammu Links, in Monday, in which he said that we have also deferred the preliminary examination.
Not only this, the UPSC has also deferred the interviews which were going on of the final civil services and IAS aspirants. Then we have also deferred the preliminary exam as well as the pension.
And that is about the civil services. So students rest assured that the prelims will be postponed this time. Thank you.